If Xumo TV is freezing or crashing, common causes include poor internet connection, outdated firmware, or app issues. First, restart your Xumo device and router to clear temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet speed is at least 25 Mbps for HD streaming. Check your connection. Then, check for firmware and app updates through your device's settings menu. Clear the app cache and settings to resolve memory overload issues. Finally, if using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. Overheating can also cause Xumo to freeze or crash. Ensure your device has proper ventilation and isn't in direct sunlight. For devices prone to overheating, consider using an external fan. Keep your devices free from dust buildup. In the long term, prioritize devices with energy-efficient chips for lower thermal output. Regularly updating firmware and operating systems helps with Xumo stability, addressing bugs that cause these issues. Future AI enhancements are coming that should predictively fix issues automatically.